Welcome to Woodland Power Products. In this short video, we'll show you how to properly assemble the folded chassis. Locate the parts and tools you'll need. All the parts will be included on a skin board enclosed in the box. The tools you need are 2 1/2-inch box wrenches or sockets. Okay, let's begin. Start with the folded chassis flat on the ground. Unfold it, and then flip it over, making sure the top side label is facing up. Next, using the 1/2-inch wrenches or sockets, secure both sides with the 6 5/16 to 18 by 3/4 inch bolts and the 6 nylon lock nuts you removed from the skin board. You'll use 2 at one end, 2 in the middle, and the last 2 at the other end. That's it. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to install your hinge blocks.